Come test drive this 2011 Hyundai Genesis. A 4.6-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Hyundai prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including rain-sensing wipers, rear parking sensors, and power seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 17 speakers, providing world-class sound throughout. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including front and rear side impact airbags, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll see better when backing up thanks to Rear Park Assist, which watches out for obstacles behind your vehicle. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.